See, look, a winding road like this at 50 miles an hour is plenty of fun. Banging bit of road. And like I say, 50 miles an hour on windies like that, you can have fun. That's banging, isn't it? That's what we come for, shit like that. That road there, that whole run from the bottom of that mountain road to where we are now was banging.
Hour and 12 minutes.
Calm.
There's actually two routes by the look of it. Look, I don't know if you can see that.
Not really. Now what's the time difference? My brain's telling me more likely 20 zones. Do you know what I mean?
So maybe 5 minutes.
That's what my brain's thinking. How much longer is it?
12 minutes, right? Let's try and do that.
Yeah, calm. Yeah.
And that next village, that Macalena place where you got the loops, that's just up from there, and that is probably where we want to maybe look to stop off or find somewhere to throw our bags in, because from there up to Snowdonia.
Alright, cool.
So when we get to this next point, I'll start looking for Airbnbs and that. Gives us a
Sweet.
location to head to, yeah?
Alright, cool. Which one of your sat nav, eh? Is it still flashing red? Yeah, it's still recording.
I'll leave it on.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, if you notice it dies, we'll pull over and change battery and put it back on, yeah? Yeah, the light will just stop flashing. But I'm happy it got this far, because it got that road. Alright, cool. You sort of put my view there. I'll be cheeky, fuck it. So I'm alright, you... Go on, mate. Single file that is. You think it'd be a fucking sign to tell you? I reckon that one got me out and all. A few of them do that to me. Just done it again then. Watch a bit of gravel in the road as you come over the little hill to when it opens up. It's banging view, isn't it, bruv? What a place to ride bikes. Do you know what it is? When I watch the footage, yeah, I know that the fisheye lenses don't do it justice. Do you know what I mean? Like for the hills and the valleys and that. But yeah, it is. I think it's probably better than I thought, to be fair. We still in it for a while, are we, yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna get around this Don then when I get a chance. I want a bit of a straight to get around this guy so I can enjoy it. Go around him here. What a bit of road, bruv. Fucking up, fuck. That was scary, man. That was actually scary. I'm not having this white van get away from me. He's giving it more beans than I am. Corner's quite sharp, watch out for that one. Every time we turn a corner, it's like a postcard view, isn't it? It's banging. Yeah, more wildlife. It was alright till they heard the Duke. You won? No, it's us. Fucking 30 down to, that's just stupid 20 miles an hour. What's your trip saying now, your mileage? You had a rough idea how many you've done, didn't you? 280 miles, ain't fucking bad. Your bike's going to think you sold it to someone else. So we could go do some big fucking zip line if you wanted to. There's people doing Wales in it. Oh, well, no, we're quite fat. We probably both exceed the limit. Yeah, bruv, one point back there, until all them other cars come the opposite way, we had about 5-6 minutes of not seeing another car. Drifting around this corner, look at the fucking road there. They've been drifting around that. Oh my god, bruv. Bruv, did you see how much air I got on that? I believe I can fly. Bruv. That must have been about 90 miles an hour. Oh man, I'm glad we spoke to matey boy. He's guided us a good little route here, isn't he? Banging bit of roads. Slowing down because them cars were going up a bit of a hill there. Yeah, they were. Fucking hell, I'm glad I read that road. Another one here. Another one here. You can't see fuck all until like the apex of the hill, can you?